Nice headroom.
Really?
A little bit.
Should we do our intro again, where we walk in and say, "Hey"? Took 80 tries last time.
Hey! Way to spoil it. Today is a good day. We will. This is Keenan and Adam's cooking show.
Roll the intro. Should I make an intro?
Yeah, do it like.
Roll the intro.
Do it like super like hardcore rock and stuff.
Okay.
Alright, so today we will be making cinnamon muffins. Is that what it is?
I think so.
Pretty easy.
Try your best.
Yeah. You guys could probably do this recipe at home. I'll leave the link below.
Where are we going?
And the tears come stream.
I don't know.
Let's start! First ingredient.
Wash the hands. Can you focus on me? Thank you. The first ingredient on the day is
Oh, are we gonna do the thing again?
flour.
I got it, Keenan. This will be cool.
First ingredient on the day is flour.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Thank you. Brown sugar. Rolling Stone song.
And here we see Mama Bird feeding her young.
Wanna try some? It's pretty good stuff.
This isn't brown sugar. What is this stuff?
Taste it, it's brown sugar.
Next ingredient on the day is brown sugar.
Well, that's pretty good. It's in the middle one.
Can't act like it's salt, Adam.
Ooh, firm.
What? Oh. Baking powder. Cinnamon. Soy. Canola.
That was worth 15 minutes. Mix all dry ingredients. Oh. She's so hot.
Adam, shut up, please.
Got me there. Just do the whole video like this.
That's disgusting. Wait, what is
Describe-
this? What is this? What is it? Adam, what is this?
Alright, so this is what we got so far. Looking pretty good.
Yeah, I was asking where's the teaspoon?
Probably in there somewhere, I'd assume. With all the other stuff. Oven's ready. Oh, look at that brown sugar. Oops. That is not a teaspoon. Oh my god. There you go. Just sauce her down.
When? Tell me stop.
Dutch angle?
And we're back.
We were never gone. It was just mobile cam. Mobile cam. What's next?
Okay. Yes, let's go. Okay, let's end the show now.
What else?
Joking.
1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Keenan, you wanna go mobile cam? There's not enough cinnamon for cinnamon muffins.
Is this Dutch or whatever?
Dutch angle, yeah.
That smells so strong.
Yeah, it's called cinnamon. 75 cups. What?
Look how dry this looks.
It's about to get wet.
That is way too much. Look how wet this is now.
You just said it was too dry.
So look how wet this is. It's not supposed to be that wet.
How do you know?
Because what the hell is this? This is disgusting. What is that?
Some artistic flair to this cooking show? I think so. So guys, welcome back to my vlog.
Adam, get back here!
We're
gonna eat it.
How about we make one muffin like deliberately bad and then give it to Nick? Ketchup in it. Sure.
Quick math. 3 times 4, 12.
Wow!
Where are those things?
Well, when I was a young child,
I wonder if you can see my contact.
turns into alcohol.
Your local home
Can you get some mobile cam?
Okay. That does look so bad. Okay, put it in this back. Oh no. Hello? We're just making a cookie show.
No, what are you doing?
for Nick. Nick will eat it. Nick will eat it anyways. He'll be
Hold
so
on.
embarrassed. He'll be like, okay, fine.
Hold on, let's get mobile cam.
All right, so we got Nick's muffin right here. Okay.
Nick's muffin. What are we gonna do to Nick's muffin?
First ingredient, ketchup. Second ingredient, lemon juice. Oh God.
Gotta remember which one Nick. Maybe that's good. Maybe that's not gonna bake. It's not. You put way too much lemon juice. All right, so we added some flour.
Nick's muffin. Alright, so this ends the day. Give me the worst one, didn't you? This is a pretty successful day. We made 9 muffins.
Only 8 of them are edible. Muffins should not make this sound when you drop them. 3, 2, 1. The inside is actually not bad.
Not awful. Alright. And over to Nick.
Let's go, time, Keenan. You excited?
No. Nick, we made muffins. They did not turn out very good.
Well, they look really burnt, but they actually taste so good. We brought you one.
Yeah, we brought you.
Why are they like white?
Yeah, we kind of messed them up. It actually tastes like we put like powder kind of on top. It actually tastes so good.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's a rubber thing.
Trust it, it's good. What? What? What?
They're so good.
Is it bad?
It just tastes like bird.
Is that all it
Okay,
tastes like?
good. So they're not bad, right?
We
They're not
we
bad.
actually spent so much work on them.
They're okay.
They're okay? Okay.
The other ones are so good.
What did you put in them?
It was like cinnamon. I think there's like a little bit of banana.
No, I don't think
Don't
you-
taste any banana. There's just like a white blob right there.
No, man.
I taste like raisins.
We did not put any raisins in it, no.
Why do I taste raisins?
We
What are you doing at?
we may have had some fun with yours.
What'd you put in mine?
Ketchup,
Ketchup
and lemon juice.
I didn't taste any ketchup at all.
Really?
We put so